and this will be constant. That will be the scenario which is always there, that equilibrium is always there with which always we see. So, with that social welfare aspects of like law, then the deterrent effect to the that actions which are taken up by the people, that everything, that jurisprudential base is very clear. So, this week 4 we will just give you the glimpses that okay, disruptive innovation is there. If disruptive innovation is there, what will be the repercussion? If there are like technologies are developing, like if that for example artificial intelligence, I have to take these names, I am not taking these names because it is like a buzzword, I am just talking about, you just see the artificial intelligence and the issues which are given because issues which are created because of that particular thing, we have to deal with that. Then there are like case laws now, in especially in the developed economies, you can see these case laws, very like prominent case laws are there. But if we consider this Indian scenario, definitely that action or that particular kind of situations are now upcoming, and we are mostly on the receiving end. For example,